Hey everyone, welcome back to Hilltop Farmstead, where I do the chicken chores so you don't have to. And today it's snowing, and my chickens are dramatic, and we're talking about how GrubTerra's Chicken Coop Refresher is literally the only thing that keeps this coop from smelling like a wet barn sock. So here's the thing about winter chickens. They act like they're never seen snow before in their entire lives, even though they live here every single year. And of course, winter means everyone is pooping inside more, scratching less, complaining more. Basically, we're one snowstorm away from a full feathered mutiny. Hold on. So this little bag of GrubTerra nesting herbs is my emotional support product. Herbal chicken therapy. These herbs smell amazing. They keep the nesting boxes fresher. They help calm down my overly dramatic winter divas. And they make sure the coop smells like an actual herbal tea shop instead of a shut-in chicken frat house. So here's how winter coop cleaning goes for me. Step 1, open the coop door. 2, instantly regretting all of my life choices. And 3, add fresh bedding before the chickens riot. Step 4, sprinkle GrubTerra herbs like I'm seasoning a giant chicken casserole. And the girls, they love it. Suddenly they're calm, cozy, and acting like they live in a winter spa retreat instead of a Midwestern tundra. Here's what I've noticed since using these herbs in cold weather. The coop smells way less tragic, and the hens relax instead of pacing like tiny feathered Karens. More eggs are found in the boxes and less eggs in, the random places. And they actually settle in instead of screaming at the snow all the time.